to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 15 of our 30 Days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. Hi, I want to book a place for a birthday party.
Sure. We can help. Can I have your name and contact information, please?
I'm Sammy Johnson, and my phone number is 7555-1234.
Thanks, Sammy. When is the party?
It's on Saturday, June 25th, in the afternoon from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay. How many people will be there?
We expect around 30 guests, including adults and children.
Great. Do you need food for the party?
Yes, we want some light snacks and refreshments. Can you give us options and prices?
Sure. We have different choices like small foods, desserts, and drinks. I'll email you the details, and you can decide what you want.
That's perfect. Please send it to sammy.johnson@email.com.
Okay, Sammy. I'll send it right away. Is there anything else you want to ask or any special requests for the party?
Can you tell me if the place has decorations or should we bring our own?
We have basic decorations like balloons and tablecloths. But if you have a specific theme or more decorations, you can bring them.
All right, that's good to know. Thanks for your help. I'll review the catering options and let you know soon.
You're welcome, Sammy. Take your time, and if you have more questions, feel free to ask. We're excited to host your party and make it memorable.
Thanks. I appreciate your help. Have a great day.
You too, Sammy. Take care and have a wonderful day as well.
Hi, I want to book a place for a birthday party.
Sure. We can help. Can I have your name and contact information, please?
I'm Sammy Johnson, and my phone number is 7555-1234.
Thanks, Sammy. When is the party?
It's on Saturday, June 25th, in the afternoon from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay. How many people will be there?
We expect around 30 guests, including adults and children.
Great. Do you need food for the party?
Yes, we want some light snacks and refreshments. Can you give us options and prices?
Sure. We have different choices like small foods, desserts, and drinks. I'll email you the details, and you can decide what you want.
That's perfect. Please send it to sammy.johnson@email.com.
Okay, Sammy. I'll send it right away. Is there anything else you want to ask or any special requests for the party?
Can you tell me if the place has decorations or should we bring our own?
We have basic decorations like balloons and tablecloths. But if you have a specific theme or more decorations, you can bring them.
All right, that's good to know. Thanks for your help. I'll review the catering options and let you know soon.
You're welcome, Sammy. Take your time, and if you have more questions, feel free to ask. We're excited to host your party and make it memorable.
Thanks. I appreciate your help. Have a great day.
You too, Sammy. Take care and have a wonderful day as well.
Hey, have you tried the new chocolates that just came out? I heard they're really tasty.
No, I haven't tried them yet. Which brand are you talking about?
It's called Choco Delights. They say they have special flavors and good ingredients.
Interesting. I like chocolates, so I'm always open to trying new ones. How do they taste?
Well, I had their dark chocolate bar, and it was really smooth and flavorful. The taste was strong and exciting.
That sounds great. I usually prefer milk chocolate, though. Do they have different kinds?
Yes! Choco Delights has lots of flavors, like milk chocolate, white chocolate, and even special ones like caramel sea salt. They have something for everyone.
That's good to know. I wonder how they compare to my favorite brand, Cocoa Bliss. I think their milk chocolate is really creamy and satisfying.
Cocoa Bliss is a classic choice. I've tried it too, and their milk chocolate is smooth and really delicious. It has a nice sweetness.
It's fun to compare different brands and see which one is better. Would you like to do a taste test, where we try Choco Delights and Cocoa Bliss together?
That sounds like a yummy challenge. We can invite some friends, do a blind taste test, and see which brand everyone likes more. It'll be a fun way to discover new flavors and maybe find a new favorite.
I'm up for it. Let's plan the taste test and ask our friends to join. We'll have a night filled with chocolate and friendly competition.
Perfect! We can do it next weekend. I'll get chocolates from both Choco Delights and Cocoa Bliss so we can compare them fairly.
Sounds like a plan. I can't wait to enjoy some chocolate and have a nice chat about flavors and preferences with everyone. It will be a sweet gathering for sure.
Hey, have you tried the new chocolates that just came out? I heard they're really tasty.
No, I haven't tried them yet. Which brand are you talking about?
It's called Choco Delights. They say they have special flavors and good ingredients.
Interesting. I like chocolates, so I'm always open to trying new ones. How do they taste?
Well, I had their dark chocolate bar, and it was really smooth and flavorful. The taste was strong and exciting.
That sounds great. I usually prefer milk chocolate, though. Do they have different kinds?
Yes! Choco Delights has lots of flavors, like milk chocolate, white chocolate, and even special ones like caramel sea salt. They have something for everyone.
That's good to know. I wonder how they compare to my favorite brand, Cocoa Bliss. I think their milk chocolate is really creamy and satisfying.
Cocoa Bliss is a classic choice. I've tried it too, and their milk chocolate is smooth and really delicious. It has a nice sweetness.
It's fun to compare different brands and see which one is better. Would you like to do a taste test, where we try Choco Delights and Cocoa Bliss together?
That sounds like a yummy challenge. We can invite some friends, do a blind taste test, and see which brand everyone likes more. It'll be a fun way to discover new flavors and maybe find a new favorite.
I'm up for it. Let's plan the taste test and ask our friends to join. We'll have a night filled with chocolate and friendly competition.
Perfect. We can do it next weekend. I'll get chocolates from both Choco Delights and Cocoa Bliss so we can compare them fairly.
Sounds like a plan. I can't wait to enjoy some chocolate and have a nice chat about flavors and preferences with everyone. It will be a sweet gathering for sure.
Hi, it's been a while. How have you been?
I've been busy. I moved into a new apartment and have been assembling furniture and decorating.
That's exciting. How is it going?
It's challenging but fun. I follow the instructions and use basic tools to put things together.
I can imagine. What furniture did you get?
I bought a bed, dining table with chairs, sofa, and bookshelf. It's like solving a puzzle, but seeing everything come together feels good.
That sounds nice. Are you planning to decorate too?
Yes, definitely. I'm choosing curtains, rugs, and artwork to make it cozy and personal. It's exciting to pick colors and designs I like.
It must be fun to add your personal touch. Any specific theme or colors in mind?
I want a modern and minimalist style with white, gray, and a touch of green. I want it to feel calm and inviting.
That sounds lovely. If you need help, let me know.
Thank you. I might need input for furniture arrangement and placement. I appreciate your offer.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Just tell me when you're ready, and we can brainstorm ideas together.
That's kind of you. I'll reach out. It'll be fun to get another perspective.
Absolutely. Collaborating on home projects is enjoyable and a great way to spend time together.
I agree. Thank you for your support. I'm excited about creating a cozy space.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure to be part of this journey. I can't wait to see the finished apartment.
I'll share it with you. Let's plan a get-together once everything is set up. We can celebrate and enjoy the new space.
Count me in. It'll be a wonderful occasion to appreciate your hard work and new beginnings. Hi, it's been a while. How have you been?
I've been busy. I moved into a new apartment and have been assembling furniture and decorating.
That's exciting. How is it going?
It's challenging but fun. I follow the instructions and use basic tools to put things together.
I can imagine. What furniture did you get?
I bought a bed, dining table with chairs, sofa, and bookshelf. It's like solving a puzzle, but seeing everything come together feels good.
That sounds nice. Are you planning to decorate too?
Yes, definitely. I'm choosing curtains, rugs, and artwork to make it cozy and personal. It's exciting to pick colors and designs I like.
It must be fun to add your personal touch. Any specific theme or colors in mind?
I want a modern and minimalist style with white, gray, and a touch of green. I want it to feel calm and inviting.
That sounds lovely. If you need help, let me know.
Thank you. I might need input for furniture arrangement and placement. I appreciate your offer.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Just tell me when you're ready, and we can brainstorm ideas together.
That's kind of you. I'll reach out. It'll be fun to get another perspective.
Absolutely. Collaborating on home projects is enjoyable and a great way to spend time together.
I agree. Thank you for your support. I'm excited about creating a cozy space.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure to be part of this journey. I can't wait to see the finished apartment.
I'll share it with you. Let's plan a get-together once everything is set up. We can celebrate and enjoy the new space.
Count me in. It'll be a wonderful occasion to appreciate your hard work and new beginnings. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.